Hello, friends. Look at this. It is a blue feather. It is beautiful. This feather is from the Blue Mountain. Do you want to go there? Let's go. This is the bluebird. The bird is sad. It lost a feather. Repeat after me. The bird flies over the bridge. The bird flies. It flies to the river. The bird flies over the bridge. Now the bird is tired. It stops in the grass. The bird is under the leaf. It is cool under the leaf. Look, where is the bird? Is it on the leaf or under the leaf? The bird is ready. It flies into the forest. The forest is big. The trees are very tall. The bird flies beside the turtle. The turtle is sleeping. Look at the bird. Is it on the turtle or beside the turtle? Shoo! Do you hear that? It is a waterfall. Repeat after me. The bird is behind the vines. Where is the bird? Oh, it is behind the vines. The bird is in a cave. It is a secret cave. The bird is in the nest. It is warm and safe. Look! The bird finds its home. It is a happy bird. The bird is home. But the Blue Mountain is still far away. Let's keep going. The bird leaves the cave. Now it must go to the top. The bird flies up. Up, up. It is very high. Repeat after me. The bird flies up the mountain. The wind is strong. The air is cold. It is snowing. The bird is cold. It sits near a magic flower. It is cold. Is the bird near the fire? No, it is near a flower. Look, the rock falls down. It goes down to the forest. The bird is brave. Jumps. It is ready for the top. Repeat after me. The bird is brave. We are almost there. The top of the mountain is very close. Are you ready? The clouds are white. The bird flies through the clouds. The bird is out. It went through the clouds to the sun. Repeat after me. The bird flies through the clouds. The bird is at the top. The mountain is beautiful. Look. Many birds. Our bird is among its friends. Wow! How many birds do you see? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, so many. Here is the king. The king is big and strong. The king is above the birds. He is the leader. The feather is back. The bird is whole again. It is happy. The secret is found. Kindness and bravery. But wait, the birds are starting to dance. Repeat after me. The birds fly around the king. The birds dance. They fly in a circle. It is a party. The bird flies around the king. Round and round. The birds fly into the light. Where are they going? Is the tunnel green? No, it is blue. Do you like the color blue? They fly out of the tunnel. They are back at the river. The journey is finished. The birds are tired but happy. Repeat after me. The birds are tired but happy. What a beautiful story. But we have many words to remember. Let's look at them again. It is game time. Can you find the blue bird? Let's look together. Where is the bird? Is it on the mushroom or under the mushroom? Yes, it is under the mushroom. Good job. Now look at the turtle. Is the bird beside the turtle or on the turtle? That's right. The bird is on the turtle. Where is the bird now? Is it in the bridge or behind the bridge? It is behind the bridge. Perfect. Repeat after me. I can find the bird. One more. Is the bird under the mountain or above the mountain? It is above the mountain. You found all the birds. You are an English master. The bird can do many things. First, it can fly. Can you fly? Show me. The bird flies over the trees. It flies fast. Next, the bird can hop. Hop, hop, hop. It is fun. The bird hops on the stones. 1, 2, 3 hops. Repeat after me. The bird can fly and hop. The bird sings a song. It is a happy song. Can you sing? Let's sing together. La la la. Now the bird sleeps. Shoo. It is nighttime. The bird sleeps in the magic forest. Good night, bird. The bird is sleeping. While it rests, let's look at our big words one more time. The sun is up. The sky is yellow and gold. It is a new day. Look at the feathers. They are so bright. Can you say bright? Repeat after me. The sun is very bright today. The forest is green. Trees are brown. The world is full of color.
I am wearing pink.
What color are you wearing? Is it red? Is it green? Look, a rainbow. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. Everything is so beautiful. The mountain is beautiful. Repeat after me. The mountain is beautiful. Wait, what is that sound? It is a loud sound. Look, a giant key. Who lost this key? Look at our magic tree. Let's say the words one more time. Under, over, and behind. You know them all. The bird can fly, hop, and sing. What can you do? I can speak English. Can you say that? I can speak English. The bird found a giant key. But where is the giant? Oh, I hear big footsteps. I think a new adventure is coming soon. See you in the next story. Repeat after me. The giant has a big key. Did you like our story? Subscribe to our channel for more adventures with me and the blue bird. You did a great job today. I am very proud of you. Goodbye, friends.